everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing this beautiful warm toned halo eyes using the Wet n Wild In Love with Cocoa palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. It is a beautiful neutral palette. It smells like chocolate and I won it in a contest. I'm gonna kind of probably just talk through this entire video. This is going to be like a chatty makeup tutorial where I'm talking less about the products and more about other things I want to chat about. So this look is loosely based on Ash Costello's makeup. If you don't know who that is, maybe you do, but if you don't, it's the lead singer for New Year's Day. She's absolutely beautiful. She does some really pretty makeup looks, and she was wearing these orange colors in this makeup look I saw, and this orange lip, and I could have saved this look for fall, but I was just feeling really inspired. And her look wasn't even a halo eye. It was just like kind of like a smoky eye, but I just pulled inspiration from that and made the look my own. I was gonna make this video a part of my Declutter or Not series, but then I decided against that because I know that I was going to absolutely keep this palette because I periodically use it on and off camera. So beautiful, stunning halo eye. This would be perfect for fall. Inspired by Ash Costello. If you know that band, what is your favorite song from New Year's Day? My favorite song is Angel Eyes featuring Chris Motionless. No surprise there. Absolutely love Motionless in White. One of my favorite bands. I love them. Another little side note, a little update. So I mentioned in one of my videos that one of my cats had passed away, and it was Tiger. He passed away in March, and I said it was kind of like tragic. It was unexpected. There was some neighboring dogs and he got attacked and he passed away, and the neighbor contacted me and he was in the neighbor's yard. So I had to go get my cat and brought him back home, buried him and stuff. It was very traumatic and very upsetting. And if you can hear that, Connor's playing games in the background, but it's summer break, so you know we have to film Boy Silvers and such when we can. Fast forward from March the 23rd, May the 23rd, Oscar passed away. And Oscar is my dog, and he was right at 15 years old. He was literally just a couple months shy of 15. He was just old, and he got sick and he passed away. And that was equally sad, especially because you raise these little animals from babies usually, and he was a rescue. Yeah, that was rough. Puppy rescue. And yeah, so now he was gone. And then a week later, on John and I's 20th wedding anniversary, we got Luna. And Luna, she is the same breed as Oscar, a Shawini, which is a Shih Tzu mixed with a Dachshund, or a little wiener dog. Shih Tzu mixed with a wiener dog. And she is so absolutely adorable. She is wild and hyper, and she's about 3 months old. And she's so incredibly loving. She has a crazy personality. And we already love her to bits. That was about a week, give or take, after Oscar passed. And we wasn't planning on getting another dog, but she kind of just fell in our laps because my mom got her. And then my mom said she had me in mind also, so she wanted to know if I wanted her. And after work, John picked her up for me, and it was on our 20th wedding anniversary. And she's so adorable. And she literally, because she's the same breed as Oscar, her and Oscar look so similar, it's crazy. Like, their personalities are very similar as well. and she's literally just a miniature Oscar. Yes, it's crazy. But I'm so incredibly happy that we have her. We love her so much already, and she's fit in so well. She's so cute. Yeah, that's literally it. I just wanted to share some little updates, little tidbits about the makeup look. I think it's stunningly gorgeous, and I love how the center of the halo eye is also highlighted. So there's 2 shimmery shades in this in the center, and it just turned out stunningly beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look as well. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a playlist, and also a product list. Thank you so much for watching.